Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So a quick update, like the IBPS RRB pre results are out. So we can just check the results by giving the registration number, password and the captcha. So I have already checked the result. Yeah, I'm not quite stunned by the result because I know. So I'll just show you the results. So I have not been shortlisted for the online main examination. It's okay. So we will wait for the RRB PO prelims result, which might be declared tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So hope for the best. Also, let me know in the comment down section, like whoever have been shortlisted for the mains examination, and all the best for those people. And yes, guys, there are many exams coming. So like we will work hard and try to get through those examinations as well. So yeah, so I have not been shortlisted. I knew this before because my attempts were very less, so I thought I will not be shortlisted. So okay, it's okay. We will try next time, or we will try for the PO examination. So there are some candidates like who haven't cleared the clerk examination but have cleared the PO examination. So hope for the best and we'll do the best. Thank you for watching the video.